Okay, so today I'm going to be helping you guys with quadratic inequalities. So the problem that I'm going to be demonstrating for you is x squared plus 7x plus 10 is less than 0. So the whole goal of this is to find the domain or domains that any number from there can be plugged into here and will make this statement true. So our second step is, once we have our problem, is to factor this out. So we get x plus 2 times x plus 5 is less than 0. Now once we have this, we're going to find our zeros, which will make this equal to 0. So that means x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to negative 5. So once we get these points, we're going to plot them along the number line so that we can find our domains. So here we have negative 2 and here we have negative 5. So this first domain here is going to be parentheses negative infinity negative 5. Our second one right in the middle here is going to be negative 5 negative 2. And our third one, which is going to be all over here, is going to be negative 2 infinity. Now once we have these, we're going to put them into a chart right here, and we're going to write these across the top. So this is going to be negative infinity, negative 5, negative 5, negative 2, and negative 2 infinity. Now down the side here, we're going to have our factored two different factors of our quadratic. So here we're going to have x plus 2, and here we're going to have x plus 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take any number from this domain and plug it into here and see if it makes it either a positive number or a negative number. So we'll use negative 6. Negative 6 plus 2 is a negative number. Negative 6 plus 5 is also a negative number. So a negative times, and then you multiply these together, and a negative times a negative equals a positive. So, and then this one, we can use negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2 is a negative number. Negative 4 plus 5 is a positive number. Now when you multiply these two together, you get a negative number. Here we can use negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is a positive number. Negative 1 plus 5 is also a positive number. So these two together equal a positive number. Now, since we're looking for a number that will make this equation less than 0, we know that when it comes out positive, it'll be greater than 0. So this one doesn't work, and this one doesn't work. That leaves negative 5, negative 2 as our domain and our answer.